Welcome back to this Tableau course. Now in this section, let's explore calculated fields. So calculated fields is a feature or a field that is created by the user. This is known as calculated field because user can make their user defined calculations so that those calculations can be used later in the visualizations. So let's come to measures, and we can see that we have profit and sales under measures. So we will use both of these measures to create a user defined calculations. So let's consider sales as revenue, and as per revenue's equation, which is revenue is equal to cost plus profit. So we can calculate cost on basis of this equation. So we can create a calculated field to find out the cost. So there are various ways to create a calculated field. There are various ways by which you can create a calculated field. First way is you can go to this drop down and create calculated field, or you can come to this blank area and right click and create calculated field, or you can go to analysis and click here create calculated field. Or if you know that you are going to use specific measure or dimension, just go to there go there and click on this drop down and create calculated field. So by this you have by default the measure that you have selected. So let's name it as cost, and so our equation is revenue is equal to cost plus profit. So let's use this, and this will be like cost is equal to revenue minus profit. Let's do this. So we have to calculate cost, which is there. So we have to simply write sum of sales, which is our revenue we are considering, minus sum of profit. So this will be our cost. So you can see that the calculation is valid. Otherwise, if there will be any error, it will give you a message here. So let's remove this bracket and see this calculation contains error, expected closing parenthesis or comma. So let's put it and make this calculation valid and click OK. And now we can see cost under measures, since it's a continuous value and it's of course a measure on which we can quantify our dimensions. So let's use this cost. Let me pick categories into rows. Let me pick region and put it on columns, and let's pick our cost and put it on text. So by using this calculated field, we can see that this is our cost, and if I take profit, put it on text, we can have a comparison of cost and profit in similar manner like we did for cost. And we can take a glimpse of the data that furniture has a cost of this and profit of minus something. So if we have incurred cost of 205 something, we have made a profit of 3000. So we can convert these values into thousands like we did using formatting. Go to format, go to aggregate cost, click on numbers, custom, let's make it in thousands. So now we can see the formatted cost and number of sales. So this is how we make a basic calculated field. In the subsequent tutorials, we will be using some advanced calculated fields to make the visualizations better. But this was a very basic example to show like how to create a calculated field. And if you are using Tableau, and if you want to become proficient, you should know that how many ways are there in the specific panel, like in this worksheet, to create a specific calculated field. Similarly, we have some other options, like if we want to create a new sheet, so either we can click here, or we can go to worksheet and create new worksheet, or we can press Ctrl M. So by exploring this tool, you will get to know the shortcuts and many ways to do this similar task. So this is how you can become proficient. So thanks guys for watching this video. See you guys soon.